Hey, we're Chris and Nicole, a Canadian couple who loves to travel. Last time you found us traveling through the Snæfellsnes Peninsula of Iceland, and today we start our journey taking the ferry across to the Westfjords. The Westfjords is a much less traveled area than most other corners of the country due to how far it is off the ring road and the vastness of the area. But that is what drew us to visit. We will spend the next 2 days driving all throughout the fjords and seeing everything it has to offer. We made friends with another photographer named Ryan on the ferry ride over, and he joined us for the first bit of our day before we parted ways, and he continued on towards Hornstrandir for a solo backpacking trip. Our first stop was to Latreberg, the largest seabird cliff in Europe where puffins are known to be, and we were in luck. There was tons of puffins to be seen.
Alright, so we're on day 3 of Iceland. I guess we got here on Monday, and it is Wednesday. I get already losing track of time on vacation. So we found this abandoned cabin here. I've seen it in other Instagram photos and maybe some other videos and stuff. It's kind of cool. It's right on the lake. I'll show it to you here in a second. Ran into a guy on the ferry there that was he was in the military and shooting with the red cameras, so it kind of stood out. And turns out it's just a hobby, and I guess he's taking some cinematic courses and stuff, so that was pretty cool. But yeah, you got some pretty cool, awesome shots of the puffins. I thought we were packing gear, and he's got huge tripods, red cameras, batteries, everything. So.
One of our bucket list items while visiting Iceland was to soak in one of the famous hot springs, also known as hot pots. We had mapped out a few and happened to come across this natural hot spring, and boy, was it hot. The spring also fed into a man-made pool just a few steps away, which was unique to be able to soak in both the small natural spring and then be able to walk down to the pool, which was just a few degrees cooler.
So it's 1:45 in the morning in Iceland, and it's this bright. This is awesome.
It's 12:30 at night!
I said 1:45.
I don't know what time it is. My watch is dead.
Yeah, so, yeah, it's crazy. And we're here looking at this waterfall. What's it called? Do you remember?
Djandi?
Denanji or something like that?
Djandi.
Yeah. But
we're just butchering every name in Iceland.
The best part about traveling at night, though, is that there's nobody around. So I'm sure this place gets pretty busy during the day.
That guy is not supposed to be camping.
Don't think he's supposed to be here. No camping allowed. But
follow the rules.
Yeah, so we're checking out this waterfall, and then we're heading out to our campsite, which is like another hour ago. The fog is so heavy today, as you can see right up top there. The road, basically, when you leave here, it heads right up on top of the mountain. You probably only have like maybe 20 feet of visibility, so we're going pretty slow, but there's almost no cars on the road, and no one else is going fast either. So anyways, we're gonna go check out this waterfall.
We are kicking off our second day in the Westfjords by visiting Gullfoss Mountain, which is one of the highest mountain peaks around in the Westfjords, sitting at 615 meters above sea level. The road to get to the top is only open in the summer months and is easy to see why. There is still snow on the road up, as well as the top of the mountain even in the peak of summer. The summit offers some incredible views of the ocean, and you often find yourselves above the clouds like we did. We ended our 2 days in the Westfjords with a long drive along the northeast side, weaving along the coast, where we would end the night to watch the sunset at 2 a.m. in Krisakrish, where the famous 15-meter tall basalt island resembles a dragon or a rhino, depending on how you look at it. Adventure with us in the next video as we explore northern Iceland. Here, we will get to enjoy the beautiful views of the Arctic Ocean, go whale watching at midnight, explore Lake Mævatn, and so much more. We will see you in the next video.